So the world is changing pretty quickly, isn't it? Have you given it a lot of thought? I mean, every time we try to get a DJ job, there's another person whose friend can do this because they've got an iPod or they found a free DJ program on their Apple tablet, and they're using Spotify. And I mean, everything is, the technology, as much as it's making it easier for us to DJ, it's not really making it easier for us to DJ. Everybody can do this, right? And now there's AI. You noticed AI? AI is getting better and faster every day. There's not a whole lot you're going to be able to do about how well they can do and how well AI is going to do when it starts DJing for us. That's right, it's going to start DJing for us. You think that we are better than a computer because we can pick music better, right? Well, AI is already figuring that out. There are radio stations that are doing better jobs of not using human beings. And if that's happening, then being able to do this as a DJ without you is happening faster as well. So what are we going to do? I mean, what can we do, really? Well, not much. Sadly, picking music is the one skill you have that's going to go away soon. So you want to continue to do parties? I think the only thing that we can stay ahead of right now is our personalities. The one thing computers don't have right now is a personality. Have you noticed that? I mean, not a lot of DJs, not a lot of computers have it as personality that we have. So MC skills and singing and great voice and being able to write and tell stories, those things are going to keep you working. Why? Because the computers can't do that without you, at least not now. So are you an entertainer or are you picking songs? I'm Bill, this is Creative License, and here's to us trying to stay ahead of the computer world and Skynet.